Hey guys, another update on my backyard garden. So here is my garden. Let me move back a little bit. It's just like that here. I put those PVCs to make a hoop. But I'm gonna show you guys how things are growing. My cabbages are almost ready, tomatoes, and other things that are growing in my garden. If you enjoy stuff like this, stick around. I'm gonna start with this tomato that's just growing here on the rocks. It just came, I don't know how, from nowhere. And then there's now that one right there. All right, so let's get into inside the garden. We might harvest some stuff too. All right, so this is a yellow squash. I've harvested a ton from this, and I still have one right here. Yeah, I do have one right there. I might have more coming up. I'm not sure. Then I have the the tomato that is like flooding. I have harvested a ton out of this, and I forgot to record it. But there's a bunch of tomatoes in here. There's this huge one here. And it's climbing up, still getting some small ones here. And I got this one here, it's got a ton of tomatoes. And down there, and down here, just a ton of tomatoes. And then I do have some cucumbers here. I don't know, this might be like a pickling cucumber, I'm not sure, because it's got like these pokey things on it. Is that what it's called? When it's got like these pokey things, then it's a pickling cucumber. My neighbor was telling me that, I'm not sure. You experts out there, can you help us? But there's one that grew and started, I forgot to harvest it, and it was turned yellow, so I cut it and gave it my chickens, and they loved it. All right. If you know what it is, if it's a pickling cucumber, let me know. And then I got this tomato here. Look how huge these are. Look here, giant. All right. And then I got this mint. I'm gonna put this in a nice pot and take it inside. Super, smells so good, guys. If you touch like this and then smell it, smells so good. And then I have this spaghetti squash. It's getting all this mildew stuff on it, but this always does that towards the end of the season. I got this tomato that just grew up from nowhere by itself. I don't even know what kind of tomato it is, but it's getting some flowers here, so I might see some tomatoes soon. All right, and let me show you guys this spaghetti squash. Look at this massive thing here. I don't want to touch it because it might fall. And then I got another one in the back there. And then there's one hanging out there. One of them dropped and I had to cut it and give it to chickens. My chickens have been amazing. They eat like everything. And then, what else you guys want to see? Another squash. Right here, it's big. I've harvested some, I have some in the house. And look at these tomatoes here. Look at that. It's just flooding all the way around. So I'm gonna be harvesting some of this today. And I love this tomato. Probably gonna grow this next year too. Because this guy is just like, has so much tomatoes. Look at the bottom here. Look at this. And it's still growing on this side too. Up here. And then I got this one here is like loaded. Look at the bottom there. You can see all that. And this one this is another yellow squash that I've harvested a ton of it. And then I got this cherry tomatoes. It's coming, some of that. And then I wanted to show you guys, I got this paper also. It's like, it's got one right here, and I've harvested so much from it. But what I wanted to show you guys is this cabbage. Look at this head. And this one is much harder. This one is a little softer. I don't know why. Maybe it's forming. But this one is like, I think it's almost ready. I don't know. And this one here, it's also very hard. Yeah. Let me put this so I can touch it with two hands so you guys can see how big it is. I'm gonna put this camera right here. There. Big cabbages. I'm gonna come over here so you guys can see. Look, it's like this big. And I think to know that the cabbages already have to like touch it like this, because this one is harder. And so is this one here. And then I got another one here, it's like super hard. And this one's still young this year. But I think before the season ends, they might be ready. So I got how many heads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 heads of cabbages. Like I usually don't grow cabbages, but I tried them this year, and I love it. They're doing so good, so awesome. So if you grew some cabbages in your garden this year, let me know. What was your trick? Did you get bigger heads than these? Oh, it's just the same. But this looks really cool. Looks good. Look at that. Look at all those two. What do you think? On this one here. And I got this one over here. It's like big. See that? And this here. So overall, my garden is doing amazing, and I love it. Okay. It's tomatoes, more tomatoes. More tomatoes. More tomatoes. Anyway, just wanted to share with you guys really quick the progress. I think I need to harvest this one. A tomato down here. You guys see this one? I think I need to grab this. Yeah. Look at it. Pretty cool, huh? And I got like probably 10 inside too that I already harvested. So my garden did really well this year. One thing that I'm still not understanding is like how long do you wait before you harvest cucumbers? I don't know if this is ready or not. Drop me a comment, let me know how long you need to wait to harvest them. I have no clue. All right. More tomatoes. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. There's some spinach, random spinach that grew with themselves. And I do have another cabbage over here. I don't know how this came here. It's growing. Cool. Share your garden so we can see also, celebrate you. I got this huge one over here. Share your progress so we can celebrate. And let me know what you're planning to grow next year. And this spaghetti squash came all the way out here. So I got that little one here and then another one right here. Got out of the cage. And it's got those. It's all the way back here. And guys, look at this freaking rhubarb. Look at that leaf. So large. Let me put this camera here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Look at all this. It's like this big. One leaf. And there's another one right here. Giant leaves. Man, I still haven't tried this. I posted a couple of times and people told me how to eat it and how to cook it, and I still haven't tried it. I'm still scared. But look at this leaf. I think it's really doing well here. And the stalk, it's very red here. It looks nice. So, but this is amazing. Anyway, let me know how your thing is doing, your garden is doing. And we will celebrate you too as well. I don't know if you want to see my chickens. They're over there. Hey chickens. Are you doing good? Yeah? You chicken? Yeah. Still getting a lot of eggs every day. But anyway, thank you guys for supporting my channel, and please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. I need to get it out for 1,000 watch hours. I'm getting close, very close, and I just need your help. Watch my videos if you can. Help me get to 4,000 watch hours. I'm almost there. Just a few more hours and I'll be there. And I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.